This is Dustin. I am here with Flooring Inspirations, brought to you by Undivided Labor. I am at a customer's house here in Haslett, Texas. Basically what we're doing here is removing an old drywall with a minor faux stone around the fireplace itself. Today, as you can see, I've already got it a little started. So today we're just going to remove everything and prep with HardieBacker. The client has picked a 24 by 48 large format tile that we're gonna be laying straight laid on the walls. We're actually gonna be doing a hearth all the way around. And so yeah, that's what we're doing today. So what I like to do is I will pry them off and then kind of reset them back here so they're out of the way, but they're still inside the wall and secure. So that's what I'm about to do now. All right, so when dealing with like a remodel situation, when you're removing something that's existing and you're wanting to conserve the rest of the wall, I don't know if you can zoom in, but always take like a knife or something, oscillating tool works, but you always want to cut down the edges so that you create a line. So when I'm starting to yank on this drywall to rip it off, it doesn't damage the existing wall. So that's what you see right here is I've done the ceiling and all the way down the wall. So always do that in these types of situations. Okay, so now that we got all the sheetrock demoed, actually the lengthiest process in all of this is going through and removing all the screws and all the nails on this whole thing so that I can get my substrate prepared for a new backer board. I think we're going with HardieBacker on this project, and then we're gonna do some kind of waterproofing to protect it. So yeah, that's the next step, is removing all the screws, the nails, and then I'll get my level out and kind of check, make sure everything's kind of within reason. And if it's not, then I'll address those problems as I find them. Okay, so we just wanted to show you, if you ever get into the process of doing a remodel or updating your home, even if it's a brand new home like we are in today, you could come into or find issues with some of the things that the people who built your home actually did. And in this case, we discovered that this fireplace probably isn't right. So the homeowner wanted to get a second opinion, so we're kind of at a standstill. We have a framer, he just came by, looked at it, and he said he's going to fix it properly and get it to where, you know, it's not just on cinder blocks, it's actually being supported by something, and it is attached to wood like we believe it's supposed to be, and not this. Dustin again, here with Flooring Inspirations, also known as Undivided Labor. We're back at this fireplace here in Haslett, Texas. So as you can see, there's been a lot of changes. If you watched the video before this, you will understand that we did a lot of things and found out a lot of things on this new construction house. And the homeowner actually decided to redesign everything. So that's why our opening's different, everything's different. So yeah, moving forward, we're going to be installing this beautiful 24 by 48 rectified porcelain tile. We're gonna be using a 1/8 inch grout joint, and it's gonna be straight laid. So the customer actually decided to kind of do something out of the normal, which is to basically cut this straight, cut this section straight, and then start with a full tile going up. So that eliminates all the L cuts on a large format tile, kind of makes it installer friendly, I guess you could say. So thanks to the homeowner for that. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today, is getting this fireplace laid.